Hello everyone, welcome back to Gold Signal Hub. In today's analysis, we are going to look at XAU, USD gold after the London session, using the 15-minute chart. At the moment, gold is trading around the 4,602 area, and the market is approaching a very important decision zone. The main levels we need to watch are 4,600 on the downside, 4,608 as the immediate resistance, and 4,618 as the major breakout level. So let's carefully understand what the chart is telling us before considering the next possible move. Bar graph market structure. Looking at the chart, we can see that gold experienced a strong move upward during the London session. Earlier, price moved down toward the lower area and found buying interest. After that, buyers stepped in strongly and pushed gold higher. This is important because the market did not simply continue falling. Instead, we saw a strong recovery, followed by consolidation near the upper part of the move. Currently, price is around 4,602, which means gold is sitting very close to the important 4,600 support zone. As long as this area continues to hold, the short-term structure can remain bullish. However, we should not enter a trade just because price is sitting near support. We need confirmation from the 15-minute candles. Green circle bullish scenario. Now let's talk about the bullish scenario. The first level one I'm watching is 4,600 to 4,602. If buyers defend this area and we see bullish candles forming above 4,600, that could indicate that buyers are still active. In that situation, the first important resistance is 4,608. If gold breaks above 4,608 and gives us a strong 15-minute candle close, the next level to watch is 4,618. And remember, 4,618 is extremely important on this chart. A clean break and successful retest of 4,618 could open the possibility of a continuation toward 4,628. So the bullish sequence I am watching is 4,600 support, then 4,608 breakout, followed by 4,618, and potentially 4,628. But I want to emphasize one thing. Do not chase the candle after a sudden breakout. It is better to wait for confirmation and, if possible, a retest of the breakout level. That can help reduce the risk of entering during a false breakout. Red circle bearish scenario. Now let's look at the opposite side. What happens if gold fails to hold 4,600? If we get a strong 15-minute candle close below 4,600, the bullish setup becomes weaker. In that situation, I would watch 4,590 as the next important area. Below 4,590, the next major level shown on our chart is 4,586. The 4,586 area is very important because a decisive break below it could signal that the recent bullish recovery is losing strength. If that happens, we could see a deeper correction toward the lower support areas. So traders should not become emotionally attached to the bullish direction. If support breaks, we have to respect the price action. Bullseye trading plan. So, what is my plan after the London session? My preference is to remain patient. I would watch the 4,600-4,602 zone very carefully. If price holds this area and buyers regain momentum, I will look for confirmation above 4,608. Above 4,608, the next important target is 4,618. And if 4,618 breaks convincingly, 4,628 becomes the next level to monitor. On the other hand, if 4,600 breaks and price remains below it, I would avoid forcing long positions. Instead, I would wait for a possible retest and look for confirmation of whether sellers are gaining control. The important thing is to let the market confirm the direction.